Yo, what's up, people? Welcome to another vlog. It's been a while. Yeah, today I'm gonna get ready for youth night, and it's like still 10 a.m. in the morning. So yeah, I just wanna capture a small vlog. And guys, last night I did something very powerful, like something Christianity, like sorry. Like I played Catholic song while like talking to Jesus. Like that felt powerful. The whole room was like literally cold because of it. And yeah, that was the best experience I've ever had in my whole life. So yeah. Oh, my bad. Okay, pranking my sister turned into almost sending her to the hospital. Are you okay? Okay. Whoa, guys, why do I look so good today? Wow. But the only problem is the hairstyle, but ignore it. But wow, bro. Hello. Well, if you guys enjoyed this video, hit that like and subscribe button. Uh, it is a normal vlog. So hit that like and subscribe button if you're not subscribed yet. Road to 600 subscribers before the end of this month. So it's been Rian. See you guys in the next video.